Our next exercise is leg extension. Leg extension is predominantly targeted at working at your quads. So the correct way to do it is make sure the seat is adjusted so you're nice and snug, and control movement up, try and give it a squeeze at the top, and on the negative, don't let the plates touch, but a control movement. Don't let it pull your legs down in a jerking manner. Keep it nice and controlled. The incorrect way of doing leg extensions, firstly, the seat is too far back and you're sitting at an angle either backwards or forwards, and then when doing the actual extension, you're bouncing the pad off your legs. And if you're using too much weight, you'll be hanging on for dear life, trying to get the weights up. That's incorrect, that's no good. That's going to give you minimum benefit. Next movement is leg extensions. And on this exercise, I seem to find guys trying to do weights that are just too heavy for them. This is the way how not to do it. Now guys, what you'll notice there is I probably exaggerate